Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the Tango application. Here, click on the following option in the bottom section of your screen. And here you can see the person that you had followed earlier. Click on the profile of the person that you want to unfollow. Click on the 3 vertical dots just beside the bell icon. Now click on Unfollow option. And if you're sure, click on the Yes option. So that is how you can unfollow someone in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.